Welcome to Creative Studio, and this is Lady C. And in the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to create a quick meme using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's hop to it. All right, we're going to launch PowerPoint, and I'm going to create a blank presentation. I don't need these placeholders, so I'm going to go up to the toolbar and choose Layout, Blank. Okay, so now we have a blank canvas. The next thing I'm going to do is import an image that I want to use. Not only that, but I'm going to import the meme that I want to show you that I'm going to recreate. Okay, so we're going to choose Insert, Pictures, this device, and now I'm going to go to my Pictures folder and choose Go the Extra Mile, which is the meme I'm going to recreate, and I'm going to hold the Control key down and choose Open Highway. Next, I'm going to choose Insert. And now these images need to be separated after I put them on the canvas, so I'm going to just drag and drop this roadway to the left, to the right, and this meme that I'm going to recreate to the left. Okay, so we're all set. So notice how Go the Extra Mile, it's never crowded. There's a lady walking on the road. And what I'm going to do is take an image from Microsoft PowerPoint stock image of an individual so I can put them on this roadway on the right. So all I have to do is choose Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. And I already know where I want to do. I want to go to the cutout people, and I want to find a guy named Charles. So I'm just going to type Charles's name in there under cutout people. And I would like to get the picture of him where he's got his back towards us. So here he is, the third from the right, over here on the right-hand side. And I'm going to click on it and choose Insert. The next thing I'm going to do is resize the image and place it on the canvas. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to work with these PowerPoint tools later. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to quickly resize him and put him on the road. The next thing I want to do is I want to add the text, Go the Extra Mile, it's never crowded. So what I'm going to do is choose Insert, and I want to use Word Art. So I'm going to click on Word Art, and I want to choose the top right corner, the color in the top right corner, that's the gold colored A. I'm going to click on that. I also want to resize this font. And so what I'm going to do, because it's the placeholder text here, I'm going to go to Home on the menu bar. And I'm going to go to the font size, click on the drop down arrow next to 54, and choose 40. And then I'm going to kind of like drag this text into the window area, so it's like in the sky area of this image. And I'm going to triple click my mouse, and it's going to select all of the text, and I'm going to go ahead and type it, Go the Extra Mile. There we go. So if I want to resize this a little bit more, I can just click in here and then go back up here to the font size and maybe make it 36 so the text is not too crowded. All right, I may want to move Charlie over just a little bit more. Whatever. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and delete this meme that I have in here. And the next thing that I need to do is select all of these images. There's 3 different images in here. There's the text, there's the image of Charlie, and the image of the road. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text, hold the Shift key down, click on Charles, and click on the road. And now you're going to notice that all of these items are selected. The next thing I'm going to do is group them. So I'm going to go up to Arrange, because I'm on the Home tab, and I'm going to just choose Arrange, Group. Now it's very important that you group these objects, because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to output this as a picture file. And if you don't group the items, then it will only take the one that's actually selected. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to right click on the image and I'm going to choose Save as Picture. And then notice how it's the Save As type is showing up as a PNG file, and I do want that type of file format. So I'm going to just name it Roadside and then choose Save. And so the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to find this picture that I just saved on my hard drive, because I saved it in the Pictures folder. So I'm going to go to the Windows Explorer just by clicking on that little folder button right down here on my taskbar. And then I'm going to go to the Pictures folder and I'm going to find the file called Roadside. And I'm going to double click on it. And now you're going to notice here is my meme. So it's just that simple to create a meme. You just got to know what you want to say and the various images that you want to include in your meme. This has been Lady C. I want to thank you for being in my audience. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And I'll see you on the next video.